Students, now you are going to learn collinearity of 3 points. Yes, collinearity, how we have to check the given points form a collinear. Yes, so that is the 3 points A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3 will be collinear if the area of triangle is equal to 0. Collinear means area of triangle is equal to 0. Yes. Another condition for collinearity, if A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3 are collinear points, then x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Or for you have to simplify this, you get this value. Yes, get this one is rewritten as this form, that is x1 y1 minus x1 y3 x2 y3 x2 y1 minus x2 y1 x3 y1 minus x3 y2. So the positive values one side, the negative values you arrange transpose to right hand side, you get these values. Okay, maybe it comes for one word questions, you have to make remember. Yes, another point, if the area of triangle ABC is 0, then 3 points lie on the same straight line. Yes, suppose we get the triangle ABC, area of triangle is equal to 0. We conclude that the 3 points lie on the same straight line. Another point, the 3 distinct points A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3 will be collinear if and only if area of triangle is equal to 0. What is this meaning, if and only if? For these 3 points will be collinear, area of triangle equal to 0. Otherwise, area of triangle is equal to 0, we conclude that 3 points will be a collinear. Okay, students? Yes? These points are important one word questions, make remember. Students, now exercise 5.1 second problem. Determine whether the sets of points are collinear. First problem, minus 1 by 2, 3, minus 5, 6 and minus 8, 8. Second problem, A, B plus C, B, C plus A and C, A plus B. Listen student, for this problem, you no need to draw the graph. Okay, because already it is given, we have to check they forms a collinear. Yes, they are a collinear. We want to check the 3 points are in a collinear. We want to check. Collinear means, they lie on the same straight line. Okay, so you have to take in order. No need to draw the graph. Directly, you have to take the given points with continuously. A, first point is A, second point is B, third point is C. So then you have to give x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Yes, area for triangle formula you have to write half into x1, x2, x3, then x1, y1, y2, y3, then the first one. Okay, this is the formula. Now you have to substitute the values. X1 values minus 1 by 2, x2 minus 5, x3 minus 8, then again this x1 value. Then y1, y2, y3. You have to denote here. Yes, that is 1 by 2 into, you have to make multiple these two. Minus 1 by 2 into 6 plus minus 5 into 8 plus minus 8 into 3. Middle what you write? Minus, that is upward arrow mark. 3 into minus 5, 6 into minus 8, 8 into minus 1 by 2. Okay, now you have to simplify. This is 1, 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 5 into 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 40. Make multiple these two, minus 24 minus of. This is minus 15 minus 48. May cancel these two. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. So minus 4. So now you have to simplify this first group. It is all the one is a negative value. So you have to add. Yes, it is 43, 24. 43 plus 24, 67 minus 67. Then here also all the one is negative. You have to add. Yes, minus of minus 67. Minus this minus in the formula. Okay, so now minus into minus plus minus 67 plus 67 is equal to 0 square units. So we conclude that the given points are collinear. Okay, here area of triangle is equal to 0. So the given points are collinear. Okay students, yes. Second problem, given given points you have to take in order. First point a of a comma b plus c, second point b of b comma c plus a, third point c comma a plus b. Okay, so you have to denote it is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, write the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to, okay, half into x1 x2 x3 x1 y1 y2 y3 y1. Then you have to use this arrow mark. Must you write square units. That is formula. After you have to write the given values a1, sorry, x1 x2 x3, then y1 y2 y3 values you have to substitute in the formula. Okay, then you have to make multiplication. That is 1 by 2 into this a multiple with c plus a. Directly you have to make multiple. That is ac plus a square. Yes, yes students, you have a doubt, right at side a into c plus a. So that is ac plus a square, a into a square. Okay, plus that is ab plus b square, bc plus c square. First group is completed. Minus of this, minus in the formula. It is b plus c multiple with b. So that is b square plus bc, c square plus ac, a square plus ab. Okay students, yes, now you have to remove the bracket. First group didn't get any changes. Then second one, this minus take inside, so the sign become change. Minus b square minus bc minus c square minus ac minus a square minus ab. So now cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. Plus ac minus ac cancel, plus a square minus a square cancel, plus ab minus ab cancel, plus b square minus b square cancel, plus bc minus bc cancel, plus c square and minus c square cancel. After all the terms are cancelled. Yes, so that is 1 by 2 into 0. So that is equal to 0. 1 by 2 into 0, 0 square units. So all the one is cancelled. It's become 0. So area of triangle is equal to 0. So the given points. So the given points are collinear. Okay, the given points are collinear. Listen student, third question. Vertices of given triangles are taken in order and their areas are provided aside in each cases. Find the value of P. First problem. Vertices 0, 0, P, 8, 6, 2. Area 20 square units. Second problem. P, P, 5, 6, 5, minus 2. Area 32 square units. Yes. For this problem also no need to draw the graph because it is already given, taken in order. Yes, so first point it is a, it is b, it is c, taken in order. The vertices you have to taken in order. Okay, listen students, write the given points 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, b point p, 8, c point 6, 2. Okay, 6, 2. Okay, you have to use 6, 2. It is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Given area is 20 square units. Okay, area for triangle formula we have to write. Area for triangle. Yes, you have to write the formula. Students, first you have to write the formula. Then you have to substitute the given values. That is x1 is 0, x2 p, x3 6. y1 0, y2 8, y3 it is y3. Okay, y3 2. Yes, you have to substitute the values as usual. What we did in the previous problem, the same procedure. Yes, but here you have to write area for triangle is equal to 20 because the area is given in the question itself. Yes, area is equal to 20 square units. So you have to find 1 by 2 into that is 0. That is here 1 by 2 is there, students. Yes, 1 by 2 into, you have to make multiple 0, 2 into p, 2p plus 0. Minus of, multiple these two, 0, 6 8s are 48, make multiple these two, 0. That is equal to, so, okay, this 2 is taken this side, in the first step itself, yes. So, here you write 20. This 20 taken right. Now, you have to simplify 1 by 2 into, for here what you have? 2p minus 48. Yes, students, 2p minus 48. This after 2p minus 48, this 2 take this side is equal to 20. This implies, okay, 1 by 2 into 2p minus 48 is equal to 20. This implies this 2 take this side. 2p minus 48 is equal to 20 into 2, 40. Now 2p, this 48 transpose this side plus 48. You have to add this. 2p is equal to, this implies 2p is equal to 88. Yes, that is 2p is equal to 88. 1, 2 is 2, 44 times. So p is equal to 44. Okay, the second problem also you have to use. Yes, must you have to use the formula. Formula after you have to follow the same procedure, you get this, you get the answer. Listen students, second problem, write the points, take as A, B, C, then denote x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Given area is equal to, area of triangle is equal to 32. Write formula, area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula, you write. Then you have to substitute the values. Yes, substitute the values, that is x1, x2, x3, then again x1, y1, y2, y3, then again y1 is equal to 32. So 1 by 2 into, make multiple, 6 into p, 6p minus 10 minus, sorry, plus 5p minus half, 5p, 30 plus 30 minus 2p is equal to 32. This 2 transpose to this side. So that is 6p minus 10 plus 5p minus half, 5p plus 30 minus 2p is equal to 64. Yes, this 2 take this side. Now you have to simplify this. Yes, that is 6p, it is 11p, you know, 11p minus 10. 11p minus 10. It is the first group simplified value. Then minus of 3p. 3p plus 30 is equal to 64. Yes, you have to simplify these two. Same sign. 11p. Okay. 11p minus 10 minus half. Simplify these two. 3p plus 30 is equal to 64. Now you have to remove the bracket. You have to remove the bracket, that is 11p minus 10 minus 3p minus 30 is equal to 64. Now again you have to simplify, these two have different sign, 11 minus 3, 8p, same sign these two. So minus 40 is equal to 64. This implies 8p is equal to, add these two, 64 plus 40. Okay, 64 plus 40. So that is 104. So 108 is 8. So it is 13. 108 is 8. Balance to 3 8s are 24. P is equal to 13.